Here we have a classic black Excelsior double O piano accordion with low, middle, middle, high reed configuration. Has 41 keys on the right hand. This is just an awesome screaming accordion. You have a nice bassoon in here. And what you have are these rocker switches. So you can make the creation of the reed combinations you want. So that was the low, the bassoon. You have the low and the high. The low, high, and middle. And all of them engaged, low, high, middle, middle. Which is also available on the side palm master switch. Now, additionally, you can start with just that middle that's over here. Or you can have the two middles. Or the middle, middle, high. Or that middle and the high. Or this middle and the high. Or just the high. So right there, you have all those combinations, and you make them however you want to engage those reeds. Over here on the left side, we have a full 120 basses, and you have simply So there you go. You have the two registers and you just have the paddle bar over there. Okay, this instrument is really a great versatile instrument. It's got a lot of life left in it, but it has definitely been played, and it's good to have an instrument that's been broken in like that. I've been really enjoying playing this instrument. It just has such a character to it. So this is little Eddie Habit polka called Go Man Go.